So now let's begin. First of all, we need to open our browser. I may prefer Chrome browser, and here you need to type Intellij IDE and press enter. At the very first link, click on it, jetbrains.com, and let it be open first. Now you can see the download button. Click on that button, and it will move to another page. Here is two options. One is ultimate, other is community. We don't need ultimate, we need just community one. So we will download .exe for Windows, but I have already downloaded, so I will not going to download it again. Let's check it. So I have it here. Intellij IDE. Now let's install it. First we have to on it. It's verifying the installer. Now here we have. Press yes. Now click on next. Click on next. And this is the most important. What we first of all we will create desktop software. We will open folders project, and we have to create associations. For what purpose, for what programs, for what languages we are using Intellij IDEA. I will use for .java or and just click on next. Or we can just get back and let something, and that is add bin folder to the file. You can add and click next. Just install. Now it's just being installed. It's going to be installing, almost 10% done. A bit is more left. And let's let it be installed first. And here we can see it's almost 50% done, and more 50% is left. So it's just being installed. Don't hurry, let it be installed. And it's around 70% done, and it's going too fast. So let it be done first. Around 85% is completed. Give the more left. And it's done almost. I will click on I want to manually reboot computer. I'll open the Intellij IDEA. Just double click on it. Next screen open. I will not import settings. And just click on OK. And let it be open. We'll put a new project. And just click on the project. We have, first of all, we need to check the JDK. Which JDK we have. We have JDK installed of version 17. I already have told you in my previous videos. If you don't have, add this JDK, and we have JDK in program files. Here we can see in Java is JDK 17. And now in the bin folder we have the JDK. So let's check the server, and it's also not applied for JDK, and here JDK 17 is a live version for JDK 17. So we use libraries, or simply leave it and click on next. We are going to install, or we are going to program only the Java programs. So here on the very top of the left side, click on there is Java, and we will not need any additional libraries. Just click on next, and it's create template from create project from template. But I will write a simple code. Just click on next, and for the code I will write it here in Microsoft. Just click on enter. Here you can see it's already exists there. Do you want to override? Then yes, I want to. It will not come in your for override because you will have a new. I have already done that. That's why it came. Just read the tips. Next step. Next. Okay. Next step. Again next. Next. And on show tips. This next step and close it. We don't need to see many tips. And now here the source is the hello name file. Open it. Hello.java. It's already here. Something like this. We already have done. But we are just going to delete it. And then we will delete it. So we delete it. Now just we will create new Java class, or simply instead of Java class you can do is create a new from scratch file. And from scratch file you can use any of, and here we have is Java. Just click on it, and it's we are here scratch.java. So we already have the main method and the class scratch. We just need to type our code. Now let's write the code. Let's write system.java, sorry, system.out.print. It already came here in double quotes. Remember, while doing programming Intellij IDEA, you will not need to write closing inverted commas. It will write itself. So I print here hello world. That's hello world, and it's almost done. And now we need to run this. First of all, we need to save it. We have saved it, and let's try to run. Just click on here and click on run scratch me. Double click on it and just run the scratch. So my defender need access, so I will allow the access to it. Your defender may also need, but it's not compulsory. And here you can see the output hello world. This output is our first program we did in Intellij IDEA for Java, and I'm gonna just exit from it now, One important notice I want to give you is that our coming video is on the updates of software. So I request you to stay connected with us and please hit subscribe button. Thank you.